I just filmed 30 takes for this reel that I'm planning to do tonight, and I'm so frustrated. I'm so annoyed. This is the first time that it's actually happening in this 30-day challenge, and it's just so triggering. I don't want to do this anymore, but I guess this is probably the biggest growth moment of this experience. And yeah, it just goes to show that when you feel like you're getting in the flow, when you feel like you're getting your rhythm, something's gonna come up. And I wasn't feeling my best today physically, so it's not an excuse, but I guess I'm just venting now that the journey is not linear. This is probably the lowest point of this experience, of this challenge, but I'm not giving up. I'm still gonna show up. I'm still gonna film tomorrow, and this may be the video I'm posting tonight.